This machine is equipped many circle slots in different width from smaller to larger, which can process the ball with different sizes. Put the hollow ball onto the circle slot and leave space 1 or 2 inches, not fully covered. Drop the oil to achieve smooth grinding. And rotate the handle device until the top and bottom 2 platforms are closed up. Turn on the switch. Keep grinding about 1 minute. And open the upper platform. Check the grinding results match requirements or not. And process again according to the condition.